Good morning and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Carter Campbell.
And I'm Ryan Underwood.
Stephen William Hawking was an English theoretical physicist, cosmologist, and author who at the time of his death was director of research at the Center for Theoretical Cosmology at the University of Cambridge.
He once said, 1. Remember to look up at the stars and not down at your feet. 2. Never give up your work. Work gives you meaning and purpose, and life is empty without it. 3. If you are lucky enough to find love, remember it is there and don't throw it away.
The Link Crew kickoff is this Wednesday in the O'Donnell Gym starting at 6 p.m. This is for all students that filled out the Google form to be a Link Crew leader or will be filling it out by Friday. Come find out more about what will be expected at freshman orientation. Now for the weather with Anthony.
Today's a high of 65. Tomorrow's a high of 47, and tomorrow's a high of 66, and a low of 46. Today, Thursday, is a high of 70, and tomorrow 45.
Are you interested in being a Link Crew leader or part of a team at freshman orientation in the fall? Well, Link Crew leader applications are available on the school website and on the ASB Instagram Linktree. They are due this Friday. That's right, this Friday at 3:30 p.m. This looks great on a resume or activity sheet, so don't miss out on this opportunity to get involved.
The last day the Student Payment Center will be accepting personal checks for the 2022 to 2023 school year is this Friday, May 19th. Starting Monday, May 22nd, cash or credit card payment only.
That's it for... Oh, shoot. What did the windmill say to the other windmill?
What?
Well, it said, it asked the other windmill, actually, what's your favorite kind of music? Yeah. And then guess what the other windmill said?
What?
I'm a big metal fan.
The Morp Dance is this Friday in the O'Donnell Gym from 7 to 11 p.m. This is the dance where the girls ask the boys and they dress alike. You can also go with a group of friends and wear matching outfits. Tickets can be purchased with Mrs. Tells in the Student Payment Center. Prices are $10 with ASB and $11 without. Guest passes are available in the Student Payment Center. We can't wait to see you at the Morp in New York.
That's it for today's Baler Bulletin. Thanks for watching.
And remember,
Go Baylor!